is Suraya binti Ismail, metric number 273423, and we will start on giving a brief idea on Shopee company. Shopee was founded in 2015 as a Singapore-based company. It is a C2C social marketplace where people can register themselves as seller and also as consumer. It serves 14 countries, which are Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and etc. Their e-commerce initiative is by develop a website and also bring in the idea of Shopee Guarantee. Shopee Guarantee make people trust the Shopee as their online platform, and at the end of the day, Shopee achieved $842.2 million revenue in 2020. Next, I will proceed on the Shoppy Timeline. In 2015, Shopee was founded and free shipping was introduced. Next, in 2016, Shopee launched their Shopee Coin to maintain customer loyalty. And 2017, they made revolution in fee and marketing and also introduced Shopee Mall. In 2018, they provide 24 hours delivery service, and 2021, they launched Shopee Food for the customer. Next, we will talk about Mr. DIY. Mr. DIY was founded in 2005 in Malaysia as a physical consumer hardware store. Their main activity is by selling do-it-yourself home remodeling supplies. For now, it has 1,900 stores in 10 Asian countries and also European, such as Malaysia, Brunei, Thailand, and etc. For Mr. DIY, they started their e-commerce initiative in 2018 by creating their own website and also a robotic warehouse. From this robotic warehouse, it was proof that the efficiency was increased by 200%. For Mr. DIY Timeline, it was started in 2005 as Mr. DIY was founded as a physical hardware store. And then in 2009 to 2017, they opened Mr. DIY in a big mall such as Tesco, Giant, and also Eon Mall. And then in 2018, they begin their e-commerce operation and develop a robotic warehouse. In 2020, Mr. DIY was publicly listed on the Bursa Malaysia, and 2021, Mr. DIY established their subsidiaries, which are Mr. Toys and Mr. Dollar.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Syafiqah Adila binti Rahim. My metric number is 273437, and today I will be explaining about the issues and challenges faced by the companies which are Shopee and Mr. DIY while they are implementing e-commerce. There are two issues and challenges faced by Shopee while implementing e-commerce, which are fraud and counterfeiting. Nowadays, scams and frauds are all too widespread in numerous internet marketplaces. Shopee has uncovered its own type of fraudsters that profit from Shopee consumers. They frequently pretend to be buyers from other countries and inform the seller of the item that they have accidentally deposited extra fund into their bank account. To avoid legal repercussions, the scammers will make a fuss over it. But all of this is just a part of the scam, where they merely want their additional money to be refunded. Shopee eliminates any frauds or fraud efforts through the Shopee Guarantee feature. Only once both buyers and sellers have met their obligations will funds from Shopee Guarantee be released, making it a safe and secure way to make online purchases and transfers. Besides that, there is a severe problem with counterfeiting at Shopee. Counterfeit items are created to look exactly like an item from a well-known brand in order to fool or defraud customers. A product labeled as inspired does not make it any less fraudulent. Accordingly, Shopee will suspend or remove any listings that are deemed to contravene the listing criteria, and the seller will be assessed penalty points. Seller rights may be restricted for sellers with a large number of penalty points on their records. When sellers commit serious listing violations, they may be suspended or terminated by Shopee. When the sellers acquire penalty points for listing counterfeit goods or infringing on intellectual property rights repeatedly, their accounts may be banned. For Mr. DIY, there are two issues and challenges that they faced while implementing e-commerce, which are cybersecurity and also damaged products. When it comes to e-commerce, a data problem might have disastrous consequences for Mr. DIY's business. There are threats from hackers and fraudsters that they will attack the host server, steal private data, and introduce viruses into the system. Mr. DIY has placed a high priority on security in order to retain its reputation and attract repeat clients. The company has safeguarded its data and its clients by using credible third-party payment processing solutions. In order to keep the website safe from SQL injections and cross-site scripting, the company has already installed firewall software and also plugins. When you are shopping in a store, you may be able to find a damaged item instead of a perfectly good one. E-commerce eliminates the ability of consumers to personally check an item before making a purchase. For companies like Mr. DIY, this involves balancing a positive brand image and profitability with the need to provide products swiftly and reliably. Packages can be damaged while in transit due to shippers, bad handling, water exposure, and many other factors. It is very expensive to repair broken items, and the cost of sending a replacement to replace the damaged product is all factored into the equation. However, this problem was solved by Mr. DIY by ensuring a more professional packing option that protects against external shocks, which is available in both double and single wall cardboard boxes, which may be used for larger or smaller objects respectively. Mr. DIY ensures that any delicate or prone to breaking, exploding, or spilling products are covered in cushioning materials such as bubble wrap before shipping, which make it a safer way for the product to arrive to the customer.
Hi, my name is Nurhanis binti Maranzin. My metric number is 273482. I'm going to proceed the presentation with 3 key aspects for engaging with customers using online platform. So the first one is offer exclusive content. The users that has access to this type of content may feel special because they are belong to an exclusive group. So this type of engagement is effective to build trust with the clients. So let's see the example. Shopee has this section of shopping mall brand memberships where the customers can get exclusive brand vouchers, earn points and redeem gifts, and level up to next member tier. So this type of attractions will attract more customers to use Shopee because they can get exclusive brand vouchers. Meanwhile, Mr. DIY does not have any membership only discounts. So this is a disadvantage point for Mr. DIY. Second, address customer feedback. Customers will submit feedback to the service providers in order to assist the staff to perform their job efficiently. So it is important for the staff to resolve the issues that happen in a short of time. So let's see the example. The customers may chat with the Shopee Live agent when they run into troubles during their purchase session. This is including for the payment failure issues, return and refund issues, and any other examples of troubles that they may encounter during their purchase session. So during the chat session, the Shopee agent will try their best to resolve the problem in a short of time. And then after the chat session ended, so the customers will need to submit a feedback on the Shopee agent that assists their inquiries just now about their customer service. So business will assess the feedback received to improve their business strategy. So moreover, both of the company, Shopee and Mr. DIY, has some frequent questions and answers posted on their website. The third key aspects for engaging with customers using online platform is interact with customers using many platforms. The most recent product, public information, reviews should be shared widely online, particularly using social media sites such as Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. Based on the analysis, we can see that Shopee and Mr. DIY has utilized many types of marketing methods such as online advertising, video marketing and content development in order to help the business to improve, build and promote the relationships with the target customers.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Atasha Ezlin binti Rahazi, matric number 273476. I am going to present the evaluation part. Based on the website that we have analyzed from the above company, we have identified several unique features, which is for Shopee. Shopee have provided their customers with the order receive button or order receive feature, which is the customer need to confirm their acceptance of the order or of their purchases before Shopee transfer the money to the seller, which is when the customer have any issue regarding their purchases, such as they did not receive the order but in the description of the shipping it is written order has been delivered but the customer did not receive their order yet. So the customer can issue these problems to Shopee and they have to provide proof that they did not accept the purchases yet, and if Shopee satisfied with the proof, the customer will get their money instantly. Second, the unique feature that being employed by Shopee is they offer a variety of games such as lucky draw, and the lucky draw, the customer have the chance to get a variety of prize such as car, mobile phone, discount voucher, cashback voucher and else. Lastly, Shopee also provide various vouchers such as the free shipping voucher and cashback voucher. The customer did not have to do anything in order to get those vouchers. They just have to claim it at a particular date that had been set by Shopee. By providing this feature, Shopee can attract more customers as the customers will think that they did not have to bear any cost of shipping and they will get extra coins as the cashback, and they can use the coins as the discount for their next purchases. For Mr. DIY, the unique feature that we had identified is they provide different sites for both purchases, which is Mr. DIY business. Mr. DIY business makes the life of retailers and also customers that want to make a large scale of purchases easier, as they did not have to do a private message in order to get a discount when they do the transaction. They also will get a discount instantly when they do bulk purchases. The next unique feature that we had identified from the Mr. DIY websites is they provide an e-voucher purchases features, which the organizers or the party that want to make an event can purchase a voucher from the Mr. DIY to give to their participants. By this, the participants surely will redeem their voucher that had been given by the organizers to shop at Mr. DIY, as they surely want to get discount on their purchases. And lastly, Mr. DIY also provide various vouchers, which is the free shipping vouchers, discount vouchers and others. This will also attract the customers to shop at their websites rather than other websites that did not provide such vouchers. For the last part, which is the overall assessment, both companies have their own unique ways in managing their e-commerce systems in order to attract new customer and maintain a good relationship with their existing customer. However, in our point of view, we believe that Shopee's initiative is more progressive than Mr. DIY's. Shopee had offered such fantastic features, just like what we have discussed above, that would undoubtedly entice people to shop at their platform rather than Mr. DIY. Moreover, the customers can get most of the products that are also being sold from Mr. DIY at Shopee with a cheaper price by using Shopee website. Citizens have referred to Shopee's features, which is the coins, as a scam, since they would feel a loss if they did not use them after winning coins from the games such as Lucky Draw or other games, or after receiving cashback from their purchases. They would then use their available coins to purchase the other items in the Shopee website, and the cycle would be repeated. Because all of those features, the consumers will be more attracted to shop at Shopee rather than Mr. DIY. Thank you.